We all strive for a long and healthy life, but sometimes, achieving this requires more than just good luck. Our daily habits play a significant role in determining our overall health and well-being. From what we eat to how we move and how we manage stress, the habits we practice daily can be the key to living a disease-free life. In today's video, we'll dive deep into how adopting healthy habits can help us stay disease-free and live our lives to the fullest. 1. The power of nutrition. When it comes to maintaining good health and reducing the risk of diseases, one of the most important factors is nutrition. The food we consume provides the building blocks for every cell in our body, directly influencing our overall health, energy levels, and even our longevity. A balanced and nutritious diet is essential for optimal bodily functions, and it plays a vital role in strengthening the immune system, promoting mental clarity, maintaining healthy body weight, and preventing chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Fruits and vegetables. Nature's nutrient powerhouses. Fruits and vegetables should form the cornerstone of any healthy diet. These plant-based foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, which help the body function properly and fight off harmful free radicals. Antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, work to neutralize free radicals that cause oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is linked to a variety of health conditions, including cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative diseases. Consuming a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables every day helps ensure that your body gets a broad spectrum of these protective nutrients. 2. Hydration. The foundation of health. Water is essential for life, yet many of us often overlook the importance of staying hydrated. Proper hydration helps regulate body temperature, flush out toxins, and maintain the health of our organs and tissues. When we are dehydrated, our bodies become sluggish and our immune system weakens. Drinking enough water throughout the day, along with consuming hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables, can help prevent illnesses, improve digestion, and keep our skin glowing. Staying hydrated is a simple yet powerful habit that can have a huge impact on our overall health. 3. The role of exercise. Regular physical activity is one of the most effective ways to prevent disease and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Exercise boosts circulation, strengthens the heart, improves lung function, and keeps muscles and bones strong. It also helps regulate blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and improve mental health. Activities like walking, cycling, swimming, or yoga can significantly reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as obesity, hypertension, and type 2 diabetes. The key is consistency. By making exercise a part of our daily routine, we can enhance our body's resilience against disease. 4. Sleep and its vital importance. Sleep and its vital importance. A foundation for disease prevention. Sleep is often seen as a luxury or something that can be sacrificed in the hustle and bustle of daily life. However, it is one of the most crucial components of maintaining good health and preventing disease. During sleep, the body undergoes a variety of restorative processes that are vital for both physical and mental well-being. From immune system recovery to cellular repair, the benefits of sleep are extensive and cannot be overstated. Despite its importance, sleep is frequently overlooked, leading to a range of health issues that can significantly impact quality of life. Prioritizing sleep is essential not just for feeling well rested, but for supporting long-term health and preventing the onset of chronic conditions. The body's repair mechanisms during sleep. When we sleep, our bodies work overtime to repair tissues, muscles, and cells that have been damaged throughout the day. This repair process is essential for recovery and regeneration, particularly for those who are physically active or recovering from illness. Growth hormone, which plays a key role in tissue growth and muscle repair, is released in higher quantities during sleep, contributing to physical recovery. Similarly, the body's immune system takes this time to strengthen, producing cytokines that help fight off infections and inflammation. Without adequate sleep, the body does not get sufficient time to undergo these healing processes, which can compromise the immune system's ability to defend against illnesses. 5. Stress management for a disease-free life. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on the body, leading to a weakened immune system, increased inflammation, and higher risks of conditions like heart disease, stroke, and even cancer. cancer. Learning how to manage stress is crucial for maintaining good health. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and engaging in relaxing activities like reading or spending time in nature can help reduce stress levels. Additionally, maintaining a healthy work-life balance and seeking support from friends, family, or a therapist can also contribute to long-term mental well-being. 6. Avoiding harmful habits. While practicing healthy habits is essential, it's equally important to avoid harmful behaviors that can increase the risk of disease. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and substance abuse can have devastating effects on the body. Smoking damages the lungs and increases the risk of respiratory diseases and cancer, while excessive alcohol can lead to liver disease, high blood pressure, and cardiovascular problems. Cutting out or reducing these harmful habits is one of the most impactful changes we can make to prevent disease and improve our health. 7. The importance of regular checkups. Prevention is always better than cure, and one of the best ways to stay disease-free is by regularly visiting your healthcare provider for checkups. Annual health screenings can help detect early signs of conditions such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and certain cancers, allowing for early intervention and treatment. Regular checkups also give your doctor the opportunity to provide personalized advice on lifestyle changes, nutrition, and exercise, ensuring that you stay on track with your health goals. 8. Building a support system. Having a strong social support system is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Surrounding yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who encourage healthy habits can help you stay motivated and accountable. Whether it's friends, family, or a community group, the support of others plays a significant role in achieving long-term health goals. Engaging in social activities, sharing healthy recipes, and participating in group workouts can strengthen bonds while promoting overall wellness. 9. Practicing good hygiene. In addition to eating well and exercising, practicing good hygiene is a simple yet effective way to prevent disease. Regular hand washing, maintaining oral hygiene, and keeping your living space clean are all crucial steps in minimizing the spread of germs and bacteria. These habits help reduce the risk of infections and illnesses like the common cold, flu, and gastrointestinal diseases. Good hygiene practices, when combined with a healthy lifestyle, can keep you disease-free and feeling your best. 10. Cultivating positive mindset and resilience. A positive mindset is a powerful tool in maintaining good health. People who focus on the positives, practice gratitude, and approach challenges with resilience are more likely to experience better mental and physical health. A positive attitude can reduce stress, improve relationships, and even lower the risk of chronic diseases. By cultivating optimism and resilience, we can not only enhance our well-being but also empower ourselves to overcome life's challenges with strength and grace. Incorporating healthy habits into your daily life is a proactive way to live disease-free and maintain overall well-being. From eating a balanced diet and staying hydrated to exercising regularly and managing stress, each small habit adds up to a healthier, more fulfilling life. By avoiding harmful behaviors and practicing preventive measures like regular checkups, you're giving yourself the best chance at living a long and healthy life. Remember, it's never too late to start. The earlier you incorporate these habits, the greater your chance of maintaining a disease-free life. Take charge of your health today and make these habits part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about living a healthier, disease-free life, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more tips on improving your well-being.